Alright YouTube, back with another video here. Today, I'm pretty excited. Ordered some new stuff for the Stang. As you can see, one of them is, I have the American Muscle banner back with our minimalist sticker, our group right there. Check us out. American Muscle, I got that again. I thought it contrasts pretty well, so got that back. One other thing, ordered some new stuff. I got new headlights. I won't spoil it yet, but I ordered some new headlights, so I'm gonna get rid of these because I didn't like how I VHD'd them, to be honest. So I'm just getting another headlights. Next new thing we're getting is a new badge, because this thing just got wrecked. So I ordered a new badge. This badge, I guess, barely came out. It's inspired by the S550 styling, but yeah, I got a new badge, got new headlights. Went ahead and ordered them. Obviously, paid extra for UPS to send them because I don't want to deal with FedEx anymore. That's how bad it is. I'm willing to pay an extra $12.99 just to get it shipped by UPS because I don't like FedEx. That's how bad it is right now. So, that being said, other things, took some of the stickers off. I think there was way too many stickers, to be honest. It's kind of sticker bonded. So I took some of the stickers off. As you can see, follow the Instagram though. That's the main Instagram. I'm gonna go ahead and follow the car Instagram. There it is. And also for the YouTube, there it is. So, yeah, there's that. Other than that, that's about it. I haven't done, well, I did make that caster camera play video actually. So I got that done, got that alignment done. I am hunting down front rims, 5-spoke like this to kind of match up. I was supposed to go meet someone newer today, kind of build. So we'll see how that goes out. But at the moment, the car's pretty good. I think severely new, but hopefully on Tuesday it lands because UPS is the one delivering it. So we'll just kind of fast forward to the day, it's supposed to come. All right, YouTube, it is Tuesday, and UPS, for some weird reason, is slightly late. I should have gotten the package already, but they delayed it, so I'm here waiting. Well, first things first, as you can see, it's like oxidizing. This 4.6 high performance is the second one I had, and it just kind of crapped out on me. So this is the last time I'm ever gonna grab a 4.6 high performance badge because it always craps out on me. I don't know why. Side seems good, but there's always one side that for some reason just craps out on me. So like I said, it's the last time I'm gonna grab one of those. They're like eBay or Amazon badges. So I ordered new badges from LMR. Also ordered headlights. So this is what it looks like right now. And once the headlight gets here, I'll show you guys and we'll go from there. Alright, YouTube, finally got them. FedEx did UPS did lag a little bit, but at least it's hours, not like FedEx would be days. As you can see, there they are. They're the SVE smoked housing, so they look pretty good. I hit them with some, every time I get new headlights, I hit them with this new, what do you call this? This headlight protection. It's by Blue Magic. Lens sealer. Just to protect them from the sun and fading. So when I had used them on it, let it dry a bit. So yeah, they're looking pretty spectacular. As you can see, here are the new badges. That's 4.6 still, but these are like the quote-unquote like new edge style. S550 style. So Yeah, I got 2 of them, so we're gonna go ahead and install these bad boys. Let it dry a bit actually, let that thing soak in, and we're gonna go ahead and install them. Should be pretty fun. So these I'm gonna wait till the morning because I want to have light. Right now it's dark. It's like almost 8 o'clock. It's getting darker now, quicker. So yeah, let these dry a bit. Put the headlights on. Wait till the morning to put these, and we'll go ahead and see how they look. Alright, we back. Took out the 9007, put the LEDs on. As you can see, it is ghetto rigged. These are Amazon LEDs for 42 bucks. I had them for 2+ years, and they're still going strong. For like $42, they're way worth it. The only problem is the original stock headlight has these little retainers, obviously, so you can see that holds them. The problem is the LED, the back of them are too fat, so it can't clear it, as you can see. So now what I did was I just got Gorilla Tape and just straight up folded it in like that and wrapped around it, and I mean, it works. A little ghetto, but it works. So that's because I could spend more. I mean, I could probably Dremel this backside right here to make it bigger. It could probably clear it, in all honesty, and I could probably make it work. But you know, for the moment, Gorilla Tape's the way. So we're gonna go ahead and install these. It's pretty easy, to be honest, to install them. So yeah, we'll put them on today, and we'll see how they look like. Alright, YouTube, it's nighttime. I managed to get them on. With a little bit of finesse, obviously. I got them on. And there they are. I think they look pretty sleek. Yeah, I think they look pretty dang sleek. They fit pretty nicely. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Go ahead and keep that. These are the Cobra styled ones. Let's go ahead and turn on the headlights so you guys can see a look with the headlights on. Here it is with the headlights. It's always kind of hard to see, but there it is. I think it looks pretty damn radical. Really, really bright, as you can see. Like I said, those Amazon headlights, they do work. For again $42, very, very nice. But yeah, so this is the nighttime view of it, just because I put them on. We're gonna wait till tomorrow morning to go put the badges, because I want to eyeball them correctly. And holding a phone and like eyeballing that thing would be kind of hard. So what I'm gonna do is basically wait till the morning, show you guys how it looks in the morning, and put on the badges. And yeah, pretty excited. All right, obviously now I'm taking off the badge. So I use a heat gun. I slowly peel it off. If you have if you have floss, go right behind it, it'll be easier. But I use glue gun just to clean up the area. So yeah, I'm still waiting for the UPS guy, so until he gets here. So I'm just prepping everything up. So install would be simple. All right, YouTube, we're at work, but we're gonna do this anyways. So you can see this is what it looks like. It's smoked housing. I think it looks pretty damn good. So yeah, I think it's amazing. Highly recommend it. There was one at American Muscle that seems like a little darker, but they jacked up the price to like almost 200 bucks. This one was like 149.99. So yeah, LMR, good stuff. Still got to put the badges a little later on. I'll show you guys how the badges look like after I put them on. But at the moment, it's been looking pretty good. It's a fellow SN90 fiber right there. But yeah, that's That's what it looks like at the moment. Alright YouTube, another beautiful day here. This is like basically the next morning. So we ended up put the badge on. I mean, I didn't really have to make a little video on how to put them on because I mean it's literally like 3M tape. Just take off the sticky and just slap it on. I aligned it because the original badge on this car has like a little alignment tab to where you put in the hole, because there's a hole here. You put it in the hole and you just kind of line it up. I basically just used this part right here to cover up the hole and then just kind of eyeballed it. So I mean it looks pretty good. Like I said, before, you've seen my videos, I have the 4.6 high performance, but I feel like that thing just corrodes, like the paint part of it just corrodes every single time, because that was like this third time I had to replace it. So I went ahead and get this one from LMR, 4.6. It's like the S550 style badging, so I think it looks pretty damn dope. I mean, in my opinion. You can see 4.6, pretty straightforward, pretty simple, pretty bold letterings. So as long as it doesn't fade, it's gonna be there for a while. Obviously the headlights, I think it looks snazzy as hell. I personally like them. So I mean, if you're interested in any of them, I'll leave them in the description below. But like I said, that 4.6 performance, high performance ones from like eBay or Amazon, it will last, but I would say like 4 or 5 months and it will fade away. So according to LMR, it's made out of good quality materials, so it shouldn't fade. Hopefully it doesn't, because you know I hate swapping badges every couple months. So hopefully this stays for a while. Like I said, that whole setup thing is done there. Got new stickers coming in. Got rid of some of the stickers here. So I'm going to go ahead and put new stickers there. Well, one main sticker. I'll show you guys when it comes in. And then, other than that, that's about it. More stuff's coming. I got to redo the whole diff. Well, got to buy new axle shafts, change out the clutches and everything, make a video about that. And I'm trying to find front rims because I'm trying to somewhat match this 5-spoke design of the race stars I have in the back. I'm probably also going to get new tires. Probably Mickey Thompson's, I'm assuming, pretty soon, because I do like the drag radial look. Probably a taller tire too to fill in some of the gap, because right now it's 50. Put 55s on them. So we'll do that. Whole suspension is done at the moment. But yeah, that's about it. I'm just gonna go ahead and do try to hunt down a front rim, probably change out the pads again, rotors, all 4 corners, and yeah, we'll do videos on that. And yeah, that's about it at the moment. But as far as the 2 little new things we put, I think it looks pretty sick. So yeah, till next time, YouTube.